Welcome to ML4All tutorial working with numerical data. To fully understand how our ML4All platform works, it's essential to first understand the key concepts that power it behind the scenes. The universe is full of mysteries. For centuries, we gazed at the stars and wondered about our place in the cosmos. Now we explore a new frontier, the world of data. This is the age of information. We generate an astronomical amount of it every day. Hidden within this sea of data are answers. Machine learning helps us find them. Machine learning is a powerful tool. It allows computers to learn from data. This means computers can find patterns. They can make predictions. All of this is done without being explicitly programmed. Imagine the possibilities. This technology is changing our world. It's being used in countless ways. Self-driving cars rely on machine learning. Our smartphones use it to improve our photos. Even medical diagnoses are being revolutionized by this technology. The potential of machine learning is vast. It's a field that's constantly evolving. By understanding its basic principles, we can better appreciate its impact on our lives. As we dive deeper into the world of data, we unlock new possibilities. We gain a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it. Let's take a closer look at how machine learning works. Imagine a company wants to predict its sales. They have years of data on past sales, promotions, and even the weather. A machine learning algorithm can analyze this data. It can identify patterns and relationships that humans might miss. Another example is customer classification. Businesses often segment their customers. This helps them target their marketing efforts. Machine learning can analyze customer data. It can group customers based on their purchasing behavior, demographics, and other factors. This allows companies to tailor their marketing campaigns for maximum impact. Pricing optimization is another area where machine learning shines. Setting the right price is crucial for any business. Machine learning algorithms can analyze pricing data, competitor information, and market trends. This helps businesses determine the optimal price for their products or services. These are just a few examples of how machine learning is being used today. As the field continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovations. Machine learning thrives on data. But not all data is created equal. When we talk about machine learning with numeric data, we're talking about structured information. Think of it like a spreadsheet. Each row represents a different observation, like a customer or a sales transaction. Each column represents a specific feature, like age, income, or purchase amount. This structured format is crucial. It allows machine learning algorithms to easily process and analyze the data. By looking for patterns and relationships within these numbers, algorithms can make predictions and uncover hidden insights. The beauty of structured data lies in its versatility. It can represent a wide range of information. This makes it applicable to a multitude of fields. Whether it's predicting stock prices, forecasting sales, or even diagnosing diseases, structured data forms the foundation for countless machine learning applications. Let's talk about the brains behind the operation. Machine learning models. These are like mathematical engines designed to make sense of numeric data. Different models are suited for different tasks. One such model is linear regression. It's like finding the best fitting line through a set of data points. This helps us understand the relationship between two variables, like advertising spend and sales revenue. Another powerful model is the random forest. Imagine a forest of decision trees, each analyzing the data from a different perspective. The random forest combines these individual predictions to arrive at a more accurate and robust outcome. For classification tasks, we have Logistic, Regression. This model is used to predict the probability of an event occurring. For instance, it can help determine the likelihood of a customer clicking on an ad or a loan being approved. Finally, there is support vector machine. It's like drawing a line to separate different categories of data. This is particularly useful for tasks like image recognition or spam detection. These models, along with many others, form the backbone of numeric data prediction. By understanding their strengths and weaknesses, we can select the most appropriate model for our specific needs. Thanks for watching our ML4All tutorial and stay tuned.